Welcome back to the channel, myself included. It's been a long time, but I've been posting a lot on TikTok, and while I'm on a 24-hour ban from TikTok, I thought I would work on my new daily. This is a 2002 Nissan XTerra. It has, I don't know, 175,000 miles. It came from Virginia, where there's a little bit more rust than there is here, and so I just took off the rear bumper and I cleaned up the tow bar. And while I have it apart, I'm gonna install some LED lights in the rear bumper. Here's the rear bumper. It was kind of a pain to get off. It's actually pretty strong. I like it. And I'm gonna put some lights right here and right here. If you look at the back of the bumper, I have a lot of room right here and over here that's not in the way of anything else up on the truck. So I'm gonna get my lights, cut some holes, get them installed. These are the flush mounted LEDs I bought off of eBay that I'm gonna be installing. These were really cheap, like maybe around 20 bucks. I thought these came with some mounting gaskets that I could use for a template to cut holes, but they don't, so I'm gonna have to cut my own, probably out of this cardboard. This should work. I cut my first hole. I always use cut-off wheels because I can cut a lot straighter with these. And well, it fits perfectly. I have installed both lights temporarily. Now I'm gonna take them out, clean up and paint the bumper before I reinstall everything. Bumper is back in place, just need to put on the end caps. If you want to wire this right, run a signal wire from your reverse light to a relay to power these up. With the bumper installed, there's plenty of room under here for the lights. And it's done. I think it looks a whole lot better, and it's useful now. All right, I've got a whole lot more lights to put on. I'm not going to be putting them on in this video, and really not unless you want to see them, but I can make a video of how I put these lights on and maybe go a little bit more in depth into the wiring. So if you want to see that, let me know, but thanks for watching the video.